One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, got a beautiful W140 here, and I wasn't even going to show this part, but while I stand in here, I was like, that under the hood of this car is so beautiful. This one is showing 89,000. Beautiful, good running car. There, you got the phone. Now, you know, if you never turned them off and you paid for service all these years, you can still get calls on them phones. But if you ever turned them off, then they won't allow you to get them because 911 can't find you and locate you. I'm with Richard. Richard's got the door handle off, and he is the in-house Benz Pro, no joke at all. I'm going to do another one on an ASR code here he got, but he's got the door handle off, and he's located the vacuum problem on this Benz, and I'll let Richard tell you a little bit about the vacuum problem.
Right here, the auto close assist, this vacuum cylinder here, it cracked open here, the little clips.
You see, it's a pretty common problem on them. And
when it tries to close the door, it blows it up and all the air leaks out. It doesn't close the door.
If you give it a light, you can see right there, it won't close the door. It's just leaking all the air. It's not catching. There's no vacuum, and it won't suck it shut. Wow. And if you actually close it, it shuts it off. I'll bet you that wow, could that create a problem? Question here. Could that create a problem if it's like this?
Yep.
And like all your vacuum's gonna bleed out?
Eventually, the pump will shut off this door.
Oh, cool. It'll like...
After 3 times trying to close, it'll shut off that door and it won't close.
Wow. Smart car. Okay. There's going to be a couple videos like this uploaded, and to where you can diagnose and find, and honestly, these handles are not very hard to get off.
One screw in the side back here, and that little plastic clip inside here.
So the clip is on this side, and your screw just to where you can see it, and this is kind of a complete thing.
Right here.
It's going to be right behind your weather strip molding seal or whatever you want to call it right here. So very easy. You're just going to want to pop this screw out, and then very carefully,
a plastic clip needs to come out.
you got a plastic clip here, and what is the easiest way to get that out when you're doing this? Probably peel this away, and
it's pretty hard to get that plastic clip out, I'm not gonna lie.
pain in the butt, huh?
Yeah.
So if we'd had this off and we could show you, then we could really test the skill and be the fools that can't get it off, because I guarantee you it's not the easiest thing
It's not
around to get off.
Put together.
So look that up on Google. I'm sure you'll find a diagram or something. But this is the little valve, I guess you'd say.
Auto close assist.
Auto close assist. Junkyard time. Very easy spot to get somewhere like this. This will be the first of a few, and I did pop the hood to show you under the hood. This one will be coming up on a full review. Been driving it around a little bit, and I'm going to keep doing that here tonight. See how it does going downtown. So, under the hood, look at the engine. Just clean as can be. And my job putting my face down to this with Google Glass can be hotter at times. Right now it hasn't been running long, so I'm lucky. Thanks for watching. That's the deal. We're going to show an ASR code and do it to it. Thanks for watching. OneOwnerCarGuy.com.